In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a member from a channel on Slack. This is a simple but important task, especially when teams change, projects wrap up, or you need to keep a channel focused on the right group of people. Before we begin, keep in mind that removing someone from a channel only removes their access to that specific conversation. It does not deactivate their Slack account or remove them from the overall workspace. Also, if you're working in a private channel, the removed member will immediately lose access to that channel and its message history. One more important note, members cannot be removed from the main general channel, since everyone in the workspace is required to remain there. To get started, open Slack either in the desktop app or in your web browser and sign in to your workspace if needed. From the left-hand sidebar, look under your channel list and click the name of the channel you want to manage. Once you're inside that channel, move to the top of the chat window and click the channel name in the header. This opens the channel details window where you can manage settings and member access. Inside that pop-up window, look for the navigation tabs just below the channel title area. Click the Members tab. This section shows everyone who is currently part of the channel, and you should also see a search field that helps you quickly locate a specific person, which is especially useful in larger channels. Next, click into the Find Members search box and type the name or username of the person you want to remove. And as you type, the member list will filter automatically. When the correct person appears, go to the right side of their row and click the More Options icon, which appears as 3 vertical dots. This opens the action menu for that member. From the menu, select Remove from Channel. Slack will then show you a confirmation prompt to make sure you want to continue. This extra confirmation step helps prevent accidental removals, so take a moment to verify that you've selected the right person. When you're ready, click the Remove button to confirm. As soon as you do that, the member is removed from the channel immediately. Slack will also post a small notification in the conversation to indicate that the person has been removed, so there's a visible record in the channel history. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.